Welcome back to another review, and we are doing on Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and yeah, let's just right into it. So this is based off the Ed Gein incident. Same thing with Silence of the Lambs and Psycho. Should definitely do a review on Psycho. Um, but anyway. Texas Chainsaw Massacre is the original, obviously, is one of the most disturbing 1973, no, 1974 movies of all time. Because it looks like it's technically real, but not really. So I guess this camper fucking people are driving a fucking van, and the one guy that